What is going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be putting the new muffler that just came in today for my truck. It is a Super 44 series. That's the part number right there. The muffler's right there. And we're going to be installing this on the truck. So, let's get straight to it. Alright guys, so today's the day that we're going to be putting on the Flowmaster on the truck. We're going to do a cold startup just so you guys can hear how it sounds like before the muffler. And then we're going to do another one when I take out the muffler, and then we'll do a final one when I put on the muffler. Yeah, like I was saying, this is a Super 44 series. There's a part number, aluminized steel, 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet, and you're good to go. Inlet and outlet. Inlet and outlet is right here. So we'll go like that, and boom, we'll be good to go. All right, so I'm gonna take off this strap right here. And then it has another one over there. And there's the catalytic converter. Oh, there it is. That's a big boy compared to what I have. Mine is probably about this size. Right here. No, a little bit further. Like right there. So, almost half of the size of that. And we're going to have to add an extension pipe. And go from there. And you should be good to go. So, time lapse starting now.
You up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ding dong, when you come true. Ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping to meet again. Oh, life. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Alright guys, so already unbolted that one. That bolt right there. Now I just gotta take off those rubber holders, I guess you can call them. There's one on each side. And hopefully anything should come off. I already tried using dead blow and a little bit did come off of it, you can see right there. Because I really don't want to use the saw. I really don't want to use the saw. I want to do it as good as possible. And I feel that's the only way. I learned of a trick I saw on YouTube video. I'll link the video down below. So he sprays it with the greaser, WD-40 for example, and he uses channel locks to squeeze this right here and just push it back down. It has a little rubber band here that I just took off right there. There you go. And I guess we'll just secure it in place so it wouldn't fall, this wouldn't come out. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna spray down. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to use one hand. Not how he did in the video. Alright guys, so I was able to finally take a hat. No, I'm just kidding. So my friend Juan got off work. Shout out to Mr. Ace Man, 2 years in a row. Ace Award hardware. He was able to take off that thing, and I was just getting ready to saw it off. How are you feeling, Juan?
My abs hurt.
Nice. Wait, this is actually your first debut on the TheFredRider channel. Okay. But yeah, I was getting ready to cut it off, but he has the Mr. Ace Man hardware store type of strength. This man can load you up 350 pounds of concrete in your bed truck. I know that from experience. But yeah, we're gonna go on to the next one, and hopefully we won't have to saw anything yet. Alright guys, so funny enough, me and Juan have been at this for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. And you won't believe how I was able to take it off. I literally took it off. We were trying to take it off from the bottom. We literally just took it off from the top. I literally said, wait, what if we pull it from the top? And since I did, I just fell out. And that we could have done that for this side too. because this one moves a lot more as well compared to the bottom. But oh well, at least we took it off. Now time to remove the muffler.
Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, ain't a ding dong. Plans would come true. Shaboom, ain't a ding dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time.
So now we're gonna do the straight pipe test. Technically, that's not connected because as you guys didn't see, but I'll just show you guys right later. But we'll just do the sound test right now. That's with a cut pipe.
Oh shit.
All the way over here.
Look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream come true. Ain't a ding dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. Lang-a-lang-a-lang. Boom, ba-do, ba-do-ba-do-ba-day. Oh, ain't a ding dong. Lang-a-lang-a-lang. Boom, ba-do, ba-do-ba-do-ba-day. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 shaboom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, ain't a ding dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding dong.
Alright guys, so it's been pretty much about a month or so since I finished the muffler video. I just never gave it an ending, mainly because during that week that I was installing it, it was raining a lot, so I couldn't really show it. And then the few days now that it has stopped raining, it's been so hot that I've just been procrastinating about it. But we ended up not using the flat flexible bands because they were just a pain in the butt, so I just used those regular heavy duty clamps. One right there, another one right there, and two right there. And then I bought a little coupling to tie to just close it off because it was a little gap. And that's pretty much it right there. That's all that I did. Down the line I will weld it, but for right now I'm gonna just leave it like that and go from there. So yeah, I'm about to turn it on so you guys can hear it from the outside. It's gonna be a cold start. I haven't turned it on since morning today. Right now is 4th of July. So let's give the neighborhood good morning, I guess. So that's pretty much it. That's the whole video right there. I do have plans to, well, I already got new tires for the truck, so I will be making a video on that, on putting new tires, because the threads are non-existent pretty much. So obviously I'm waiting for the 4th of July to end, and then we're gonna go straight to the tires. I actually got the tires. Funny story, I won $1,500 at the casino, so I was able to just get the tires like that. So that's gonna be the next video I'm coming up with. In the meantime, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.